Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today I have a very different recipe from my kitchen which is extremely simple and again it'll hardly take any time to make. So I love to make these kind of recipes which are really very simple and tasty too. I've used three types of fruits for this. I've used banana, which is I've used about two, but they are medium sized ones. So you can add accordingly. And this recipe uses more guava. The more guava you add, the more tastier it is in the fruit chaat. And I've used one apple. You can use any amounts of fruits, that doesn't matter. I've used about 3-4 teaspoon zira powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, and about half a teaspoon of chaat masala. And I've also used orange juice, which is from about 6 oranges. Okay, so instead of if you're making this for kids, you can make it as it is, but if you're making it for adults, you can also add in some chili powder or pepper powder according to your taste. So we'll add all these fruits into a bowl. You can also include papaya, pomegranate seeds, strawberries. You can add whatever fruits you like, but banana, guava and the apple is the basic fruit that you must add for the fruit chaat. This is an extremely healthy recipe for the children as an evening snack, and since Ramadan is coming up, you can also serve this as a snack for the kids, the iftar snack for the kids too. I'm adding all the spices into the orange juice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share my videos and give me a thumbs up if you like my video. And if you do try this recipe, let me know in the comment section. So I'll be adding the orange juice to these fruits now. Just add in a little bit of sugar that's left behind. You can also add honey instead of the sugar. I've just added about 1.5 teaspoon. You can also leave it if you want. We'll mix it up well. As you can see, it's a nice juicy fruit chaat. So it's ready to serve into the serving bowls. So when you serve, make sure you add in the orange juice as well. The juice should come up above the fruits. So please add the orange juice accordingly. You can use any amount of fruits for this, just that the juice should come up a bit more above the fruits. I'm garnishing it with some dried fruits that I had, and the fruit chaat is ready to be served. I hope you like this simple and easy recipe. Do try it this Ramadan.